Every year on the channel, when it's my birthday, I cake myself a cake that usually looks like ice cream because ice cream is my favorite thing. This year I thought, no. This is my 45th trip around the sun and I'm gonna go eat ice cream. We visited some of my top favorite ice cream spots in the city and some new ice cream spots that I've never tried before. I got to try some of the craziest flavors. Too bad I couldn't share them with you. I just ate them all. I'll be here for the entire summer. There's gonna be cake, but there's also gonna be some new fun stuff. You're gonna join me on new adventures. The first stop on the tour was my childhood favorite ice cream place. This is a place that's in the neighborhood where I grew up and we would go there as a family. It's called La Paloma. They make gelato and there's more than one location, but this one is the original. I have to admit, every time I walk into La Paloma, I get the same flavor I always get.
I got banana when I was a kid. Love banana. I also love coconut and I love the subtle sweetness of coconut. Oh yes.
Well, you know what I thought was really sweet? The owner named a few flavors after his grandchildren.
Salvatore, Matteo, Morris. Then I have one from my wife.
Oh, that's how you stay married.
Isn't that so sweet? I didn't try any of those flavors.
Can I have 2 flavors, Sam?
Sure.
Okay.
I broke free of what I normally get. So I got pistachio, I'll admit that, but I also got rum and raisin. That's another favorite of mine. That's my mom's favorite ice cream.
Thank you. Oh God, this is so good.
It's been a pleasure meeting you. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. So
Ciao,
nice to meet you.
For the next stop of the tour, we headed to Pandoras Box, which is in a really cool place in Toronto called Stacked Market. Pandoras Box is an ice cream shop, but they also make edible cookie dough and some other sweet treats. I went for the ice cream.
So everyone, this is Brigitte. This is her shop. All our ice creams are made in-house, flavors from all over the world. But we tried getting desserts and we make it into ice creams. I like this.
The first flavor I tried was a Thai milk tea.
This is so adorable. I don't... Eat it. Eat it, yo. Eat it. Jordan is scaring me. Come on. It's very subtly sweet, which I enjoy.
The second ice cream I tried was a banana pudding ice cream, and it did not disappoint.
It's just like a real, authentic banana.
For my third ice cream, I had strawberry champagne in a pink waffle cone.
Oh man. Wait a minute, look at the pattern on this cone.
Pandoras Box makes boozy ice creams and it was delicious. I mean, that's how you should celebrate your birthday.
I'm having pink ice cream on a pink cone. What are you doing?
Just the aesthetics of it. It's very how to cake it looking. Next stop on the list is Hallow Crunch. They make soft serve ice cream, but they make very unique flavors. So I had the matcha ube, which is made from a purple yam, and charcoal, which is a black ice cream, and it comes all swirled together in a charcoal waffle cone. We were smart. We went there at the end of the day because it stains you. I devoured that cone. So can you leave out the most embarrassing footage, Orhan, please?
Specifically for the...
I know, and you'll punch in. Make sure to punch in at that part, good.
This is day 2 of ice cream sampling. I'm downtown again.
And today I'm with a special guest, Orhan's friend Megan, who's going to bring me to some ice cream shops I haven't been to yet.
Say hi to Megan, everyone.
I only exclusively eat ice cream.
Really?
That's not true at all.
People think I only exclusively eat cake.
Our first stop is Cereal Box, which is a shop that blends cereals into ice cream.
I went to the pop-up when I was on College Street.
Okay.
And so this is their permanent location. Okay, it looks like we've got flavors to choose from.
So we use a hard scoop ice cream, and when we mix it together, it kind of blends together and it becomes blended with the ice cream and cereal.
Would you like to work at How to Cake It? I've noticed your decorating skills.
I used to bake.
You used to cash!
I actually had like a dream to actually open up a cake shop too.
What is happening?
We had the pleasure of meeting 2 great people at Cereal Box. Cash, who is the owner of the establishment, and then a girl walked in. An angel came in, actually.
What's your name?
Angel.
Oh my God, And she recognized me and she hung out with us and we got her an ice cream and we just had the best time with her.
It's like my pointer, my middle finger.
Oh gosh, I'm
right?
learning new
Oh my God, Yogi.
Hi, Angel. Great to meet you.
Thank you, Cash. Thank you, Cash.
Thank you, Cash.
This way? This way? Which way?
This way.
Stop two.
Let's go.
Welcome to good behavior.
Good behavior. We were told that we don't have to follow that as a rule though.
I mean, if you're eating this much ice cream.
Can you say it's good behavior? Yeah, I don't think so.
I know that these change up a lot. I'm in this area once a week and it's really hard to not come here once a week.
Lucky you. Do you do a flight of ice cream?
We actually do, a flight of 5.
5 flavors I had were milk tea, matcha cookies and cream, bourbon butter pecan, passion fruit, and coconut cream pie.
Make a production space for that.
Thank you so much.
The matcha cookies and cream. It's not too matcha. You know what I mean? Okay.
I need more words, ladies.
And we met Chef Mike, who was amazing and so inspirational. The way that he approaches ice cream making, he's a chef and you can totally tell. We went into their prep fridge, Orhan, and they had bins of just like cookies, chocolate, all kinds of inclusions that they put in the ice cream, all perfectly cut into cubes.
She'll be fine in there. A lot of caramel.
There's a butterscotch bin. I want it to be locked in that fridge and I don't even like being cold.
Oh, it's cold.
I think there might be one more thing you guys need to try. Our ice cream donut.
Do you remember I caked that?
Cut it straight in half. You lovely people choose the flavor. In this case, it is going to be s'mores. Goes inside. Top goes on. And then this machine here. 30 seconds later, you'll get a hot exterior while the inside is still frozen.
Once it comes out, they put on a glaze and then they have a topping that goes with whatever flavor profile of the ice cream you put in.
Am I doing this alone? I'm here. I'm here. This is why I'm here today. Yes. Oh wow. The donut is hot and the ice cream is cold.
This really unique flavor called torta della nonna, which is based on an Italian dessert that has lemon and pine nuts. It was a lemon-based ice cream that was made of juice, zest, and oil, and there were toasted pine nuts in the ice cream. The last place was Ruru Baked. I reached a point in life I never thought I'd meet. I ate my weight in ice cream and I actually thought I'm filled with ice cream to here and I need to go home now. Megan was convinced that we needed to go to Ruru Baked, so we did. Time for some dinner ice cream.
Also a custard-based ice cream, and it's Filipino owned, which is very important to me. All right, tastiest ice cream in the galaxy. I want to know who went out into the galaxy and confirmed this.
I chose a pineapple tahine, a Vietnamese coffee, and a kinako brown sugar ice cream. Kinako, they explained to me, is a soybean flour and it's roasted, imparted a really nutty flavor into the brown sugar ice cream. The pineapple tahine sorbet was very light, and then the tahine brings in a little bit of spice. The Vietnamese coffee though, now I was drowning in it. Like at the end, I feel like my eyes were glassed over. Yeah, you only turn 45 once, guys. Live it up. I want to hear from you guys. What is the most interesting ice cream you've ever eaten? Tell me where.
If I get enough comments about one city and one place, I'm gonna have to go. Do you want Yolanda Gampp in your city? Well, now's your opportunity. Tell her where to go. This is excellent. Megan, you need to come back. We need to put Megan in another episode. What can we do together?
Now this is how you celebrate a birthday. If you happen to be in Toronto, make sure to check out all the places that I mentioned, and I hope you enjoyed the episode. I will see you next week.